Now, Rydell is very proud of her extracurricular activities, so please come out for band tryouts. If you play an instrument, it's better to play with a group than with yourself. Auditions for the June Moon Talent Show will be held next month. Come out one and all. You could win 100 long-playing records. Last but not least, we are fortunate to have a straight-A student all the way from England by the name of Michael Carrington.
Stand up, Michael. All right, now let's all say hello to Michael Carrington.
Hello to Michael Carrington.
Let's have a wonderful year.
Rydell High! Beat the Cavaliers!
Rydell High! Beat the Cavaliers!
So what's the story with you and Johnny?
Let's just say I outgrew him over the summer.
Yeah, well, he sure hasn't lost the hots for you.
Johnny just hasn't learned when you're dead, lie down. Besides, it's gotta be more to life than just making out.
You know, I never thought of it that way.
Michael! Michael? I heard you know how to play the piano.
Where'd you hear that from? Well, I can a bit.
Then you must play for the talent show auditions. I will not take no for an answer.
Michael! Well...
Oh, okay, I'll do it. Why not?
Oh, I think he's kind of cute.
Virgin alert! Virgin alert! All male periscopes down! So how's your first week been?
Oh, great. Yours?
Oh, listen, there is such a fascinating world of chemistry out there.
Yeah, I know. Hey, how would you know that's Stephanie Zanoni?
Stephanie Zanoni is one of my very best... Uh-oh. Michael, I think there's something you don't understand. You see, Stephanie Zanoni is a pink lady, which means if you're not a T-bird, which you are not, you can look, but don't touch. Michael, I wouldn't even look.
Well, then how'd you become one of these T-birds, then? Eh?
Well,
Like I told you before, football is like life. You gotta push. You gotta push your way through life. You gotta push and elbow. Come on, push. I want you to push those men out of the way. Elbow, then bite them, then rip them, then chew them up. Come on, push, 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 push. Push. Attaboy, spit them out and chew them up. Ah, come on, come on. Don't you have any blood? Come on, you're like a bunch of old turkeys. Come on, don't you guys know how to push?
Set push.
Check this out. What are they doing here? Nagarelli. Balmuto.
These cockroaches are gonna invade our turf one time too many. We should take care of them tonight.
Tonight, we bowl.
Hey, you're lucky. We're bowling tonight.
I like that. And ball.
Better wreck you well, boy. Hey, baby, check your oil for you.
Hey, are we bowling tonight?
That's right. And Paulette,
Yeah, Johnny.
I want you to look special, dig?
No problem.